ka school ba USTM lani ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Haribhoi District hanin kasngi ka taha ka khatlai tarik unailur arajar arpsan kala panlong ye ka jinge kendu jongkin nong trai gite ka school ba kentup ya kin nong hikai bat ki khna pule bani lumlang krui hakamat ka building kabal ainam ye ka kerteng jong umahe Dr. Didi Lepang kabal tim kum ka block F Dr. Didi Lepang block ban le borom da ka babu sentiu rengkat bat kijing thang mombati hakmat ka dur jong umahe Dr. Didi Lepang ya ka bala penbut ya katuk ane kijing kran ki balai thu ya kijing ya lanti jong u kumunong elam san perthai hakane ka jela kadahdu bagane ka school ba da kijing borom ya u la ainam ka wege building amenity center da ka kerteng u Dr. Didi Lepang.
We are deeply saddened by the passing of Dr. Didi Lepang, the former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and fondly known as the father of Haribhoi district, and a towering statesman and visionary leader who was also the guiding strength and backbone of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. His invaluable support, wisdom and unwavering encouragement have always been instrumental in shaping the journey of University of Science Technology Meghalaya.
Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi pun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei. Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi pun shengi ni ai wai shapi Pranyo laiwei kendai hendrugiwei arnyo lai.